Hi guys, this is Dr. T. What you just saw was a PR squat of 535 pounds from Sydney Yap, a George Mason athlete, one of the many that depend on chiropractic to reach peak performance. And what you're seeing right now is Sydney getting aligned to head back out to the gym to keep performing at that level. Enjoy it and have a great day.
We do a little bit more muscle rehab on him. We also do acupuncture, but he can handle some deep tissue work in these muscles. And we just got to make sure that they're firing right and that they're not too tight. I think if you ask Sydney, his back hurts almost all the time, right?
Yeah, I think 2 days after I saw you, I like straightened my back.
I mean, the stuff he puts his body through is just ridiculous. Lift this a little bit here. Sydney, go ahead and drop your arms to the floor. Okay, take a breath in. Let it out. One more time. And let it out. Turn this way. Face your right. This out. Okay, breath in and let it out. Good. All right, turn it away. All right, breath again and let it out. Flat on your back.
Give me a little push down. And relax. And again, push down. And relax. Good. And push down. And relax. Push. And relax. Slide your hips over to the right just a little bit. Knees doing okay?
My right knee was like bothering me the other day at the gym when I was squatting. It's like a small little like crack when I was like sitting down and just like extending it.
Okay.
But it's a little better right now. It's like a popping sensation.
But it was okay.
It was
after that?
okay. Like I finished squatting, but like after that, like it's starting to tighten up on me. And like when I was just sitting down to like take a break, I was just like,
Okay, you'll feel me pull you a little bit.
alright. Felt that there. Extending it out, and I just kept on hearing it pop.
Not making any noise right now. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so let's get you to suit up so we can needle you here. So you just pop your shirt off.
Alright.
Okay, guys, that's Sydney's adjustment. So he's gonna go lift 600 this afternoon.
Actually, do have to go this afternoon. So yeah. Thank you as always.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll catch you guys later.